finish. Okay, I thought this was just gonna look cute in the corner. It's not. This resistance is actually insane. Best home workout, hands down. My legs are on fire.
Have you ever wondered if there's one AI tool that can create UGC ads, talking avatars, product videos, AI commercials, and even generate videos directly from a website URL? Well, today I'm testing TopView AI, one of the fastest growing AI video platforms of 2026. Make sure you stay until the end, because one feature completely surprised me. Before we jump into the dashboard, here's what we're going to test today. AI Video Agent, URL to video, AI UGC Ads, AI Avatars, Text to Video, Image to Video, Voiceovers pricing, pros and cons. And at the end, I'll give you my final verdict and tell you which creators should actually use this platform. TopView AI is an all-in-one AI video creation platform designed primarily for content creators, marketers, e-commerce brands, dropshippers, agencies, and anyone who wants to create videos without traditional production. Instead of using multiple tools for script writing, voiceovers, avatars, video generation, and editing, TopView combines everything into one platform. The biggest selling point is that it allows you to create videos from text prompts, product URLs, images, existing videos, and AI avatars, which means you can go from idea to a finished video much faster. Now let's see if it actually delivers. After logging in, you'll see the main dashboard. Right away, you'll notice that TopView focuses heavily on video creation. On the left side, you'll find tools for image to video, video generation, AI avatars, and voiceovers. But the real magic starts with their video agent. Now, here's the feature everyone is talking about. The video agent. This feature is designed to analyze existing videos and create similar content automatically. Let's test it. I'm going to upload a sample marketing video. TopView analyzes visual structure, hooks, scene flow, editing style, and pacing. While that's generating, think about what this means. Traditionally, recreating a viral ad could take hours or even days. Now AI is attempting to automate that entire process. You can either start with a prompt, storyboard, or skip directly to generate video. Then it generates a new version based on the same concept. And here's the final output.
Look at this finish. Okay, I thought this was just gonna look cute in the corner. It's not. This resistance is actually insane. Best home workout, hands down. My legs are on fire.
Honestly, the pacing looks pretty good. The transitions are smooth. The hook structure is recognizable. However, I would still make some manual adjustments before publishing. This is a great starting point, not necessarily a one-click finished product. Now let's test what might be the most powerful feature for marketers. URL to video. Here's the corrected version. All we need is a product page. I'm going to paste a product URL. TopView automatically extracts product information, images, key benefits, and marketing content. Then it generates a complete video advertisement. Think about how much time this can save for Shopify store owners, Amazon sellers, dropshippers, or affiliate marketers. A few moments later, here's the result. The fact that AI can build an entire marketing video from a website is honestly impressive. This feature alone could save creators hours of work. Next, let's look at AI avatars. This feature allows you to create spokesperson-style videos without appearing on camera. There are multiple avatar styles available: beauty and fashion, lifestyle, entertainment, product and e-commerce, health and wellness, career and business. Now, OpenAI Avatar. Here you can directly upload your own avatar images. Let's choose an AI avatar from the available templates. This one looks pretty good, so I'll go ahead and select it. Here, you can type your text or even import an audio file for the voiceover. I'll go ahead and import my own audio in my voice. After that, click on Generate, and it will generate the video. Here's the result. Remove the dead air. Every moment should feel like it's moving forward with purpose. In a minute, I'll show you another feature of this AI that honestly is the most important one if you want to create successful videos. The lip sync is actually pretty decent. The avatar movements look natural enough for social media advertising. Would I replace real creators entirely? Probably not. But for testing ad concepts quickly, this is extremely useful. Now let's test text to video. This is where you simply describe what you want. And here you can see the available video generator models, such as Seedance, TopView, Gemini Veo 3.1, Kling, Grok, Minimax, and several others. And from here, I'll select TopView Omni. Let's paste your prompt here. You can read through the prompt before generating the video, but first we need to configure a few settings. We'll start by selecting the 16:9 aspect ratio, then set the duration to 10 seconds. For the resolution, you can go all the way up to 4K. You also have the option to upscale the video from 2K to 4K. Similarly, you can increase the generation count to create multiple variations at once. 1, 2, or even more. Just keep in mind that generating more versions will consume more of your credits. And here's the result. This feature is ideal for short-form content, social media videos, marketing concepts, rapid prototyping. The better your prompt, the better your output. That's true for almost every AI tool today. Another useful feature is AI voice generation. TopView supports multiple languages and voice styles. Let's compare a few examples.
Hey buddy, it is me. Just wanted you to hear my voice. How is your day going?
And from here, we can select the desired voice and then paste our script here. Then click on the Generate option, and within a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. And here's another option called Instant Voice Clone, which is a really powerful feature. You can easily clone your voice using it. Here, you can also choose different types of models like Fish Audio Pro models in your setup. You just need to upload your own voice, paste a script, and click on the Generate option. Here's the cloned voice ready to use. If you enjoyed this review and want more AI tools that can save you time and help you create better content, make sure to subscribe. The voices sound fairly natural. Not perfect, but definitely usable for marketing videos, tutorials, and social media content. For many creators, these voices will eliminate the need to record audio manually. Now let's talk about the good and the bad. Pros: easy to use, fast video generation, URL to video feature, AI UGC creation, multiple AI avatars, voiceovers included, useful for marketers, beginner-friendly interface, all-in-one workflow. Cons: some outputs still need editing. Avatars can occasionally look artificial. Results vary depending on input quality. Premium features require paid plans. Not every generated video is instantly publish ready. Like most AI tools, the best results come from combining AI with human creativity. So, is TopView AI worth using in 2026? My answer is yes, but with realistic expectations. If you're expecting perfect one-click videos every single time, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you're looking for a tool that can drastically reduce production time, generate ideas, create UGC ads, and help you produce more content faster, TopView AI is definitely worth testing. The standout features for me are: number 1, URL to video. Number 2, video agent. Number 3, AI UGC generator. Those 3 features alone make this platform very interesting for content creators and marketers. If you enjoyed this review and want more AI tools that can save you time and help you create better content, make sure to subscribe. Before you go, don't miss this. If you're serious about improving your AI videos, I break down 3 free tools that instantly fix ugly, low-quality AI edits in the next video. Click right here and watch it now. I'll see you in the next video.